Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, just go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, select one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Now click on Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!